First, the top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren launches official theme song of Manipur Sangay Festival 2022 titled Manipur. Inspects preparation at Moirang Kuno. Members of Settled Tribe Demand Committee, Manipur Storm residents of Yumnam Khemchan submit memorandum. Sajiva jail inmate admitted to Jenim's casualty after trying to commit suicide, escaped and later re-arrested. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON and now news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren launched the Manipur Sangay Festival 2022 official theme song titled Manipur at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The event was also attended by Rajya Sabha MP Leisimba Sanajauba, Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited Chairman MLA Karam Shyam, Tourism Commissioner PK Jha, Director W. Ibohol, and official of Tourism Department. Mangka Mayang Lambam, a well-known folk singer in the state, sang the theme song with her group. During the event, Chief Minister N. Biren said that the Sangay Festival is a lovely celebration that might achieve international status with widespread publicity. After a 2-year gap, the Sangay Festival would be staged in a grander scale this time, with various events scheduled at 13 places throughout the state. He noted, the Chief Minister said that a significant cultural exchange program would be held at Makel as a part of the festival and that people of Ahom and Nagaland would be invited to attend. In addition to the primary location at the Sangay Ethnic Park, Moirang Kuno at the edge of the Sangay habitat, plans are also being made to host activities at Behyang, Kaupum and other locations. Manipur Polo International Tournament, the Sagol Kangjay game will also be played at the Manung Kangjay-bung in Kanglao, where participants would dress in traditional garbs for a special occasion, he added.
Manipur ki leramiba yamna kanamna history oiba yamna ariba potsi mayam se khoje idang showcase to be anna baina lebro margin gi da khoje margin polo 120 feet above the hilltop below the mafam do khoje hangdore kanon nangna ba sangai nangna ba tobjeri below margin gi da show koi angthokani asmaina sigi yamna history go events de yamna history go ba theme song ama khoi tobiu haibina koina mangkada haibideki mangkana na handegi masi ma loir kana ngasi madu launch object tobuni si go go loina si siga sanaba video gi ma su copy rakana happy rakana tai tron do ga tra mari tranga gi mamanga launch to na video shoot to de ngasi ni haiba isai launch to si sitagi torga tamil naga mayam namasi manipuri praja mayam adu bharat mayam adu kuchbi gi mayam da haiba ko gi tim song si phangin hinabi madu pangtok sa.
Chief Minister N. Biren visited the construction site of Sangay Ethnic Park and inspected the arrangement met for the upcoming Manipur Sangay Festival 2022 at Moirang Kuno, Bisnupur District today. Rajya Sabha MP Leisimba Sanajauba, Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited Chairman Tongbram Robindro, Loktak Development Authority Chairman M. Asni Kumar, MLA of Moirang SC Thongam Santi, Chief Secretary Dr. Rajesh Kumar were also present. According to N. Biren Singh, a number of infrastructure development projects have been undertaken to raise money and give employments to youths of the state. The Sangay Ethnic Park is being built as a long-term investment to generate money and will eliminate the cost associated with setting up the Sangay Festival location each year, he added. He further stated that the tourist destinations being developed at various places across the state will help in earning regular income for the state. The state government is developing a tourist police, which will be a part of each district's superintendent of police. They will receive basic training for 2 to 3 months and won't have weapons and will wear a different outfit. They will be used to guide tourists visiting the state, he added. The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM stormed at Yunnan Kemchand's residence to submit a memorandum as part of the protest demanding inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list. Speaking on the subject, Mahut Minister Yumnam Kemchand said that the state government took the demand for the inclusion of Meitei or Meitei seriously because it was logical. He claimed that whether the Meitei or Meitei community will be able to preserve was in doubt because it was obvious that the number of Meitei people was declining. He strongly supports the STDCM's demand and the general public must do the same. He stated that he would speak with all the ministers, including the Chief Minister, about the issue. STDCM Youth Wing convener Namay Rakpam Edison said that it is anticipated that the protest will be successful because ministers and MLAs are publicly supporting their demand for the inclusion of Meitei or Meitei on the ST list, and he urged the state government to make this happen at the earliest.
Obviously, because you am ponte. Aduna, masi question of survival ne kujati sige. Masi I Hawaii haksang yung police support tawi. Adoga sarkar sida yaumi nari ba kogi honorable chief minister lagi na all the concerned minister. Loy na magteres lai bani koi matam karang ay na bagi wada ne thamjage.
A Sadiva jail inmate admitted Janim's casualty for trying to commit suicide escaped and later rearrested. The prisoner that escaped from the hand of police has been identified as Ningthau Kongjam Gandaraj from Kumbi Bishnupur district. He managed to get away from the police at the hospital's front kennel at 11 a.m. under the pretext that he needed to use a restroom. Immediately, Infal East police surrounded Jennings and conducted search operation at the facility and later met arrest from inside the SP Infal East compound. The media, however, was not permitted to enter the gate when they went to the SP Infal East office to pick up the report on the incident. The 52nd Foundation Day of one of the oldest theatre in Manipur, LEIVON Arts Center LSC, was celebrated at each center in Singzamay, Chingamakha today. The event was attended by retired JEO Kumbomayum Kunjabihari, IPAC's President Setrimayum Somarendro, and Imoinu Cultural Organization's President S. Siama. As part of the celebration, lead artists who played a vital role in the formation of LSC were honored and certificates and mementos were given out to artists who won awards in various theater competitions. A video album called Mikap Tokpa, produced by Indigenous Culture and Social Welfare Organization, was also released. Addressing at the event, LA President Sangapam Tomba Meitei stated that LEIVON Arts Center has been working for 52 years in the journey of Manipur's theater. The center has been preserving the ancient culture that our ancestors have left behind and staging over several places around India. In addition to developing new artists, 170 folk dramas have been released so far, he added. However, over time, artists and directors who played a vital role in forming LSC passed away. He advised the audience to support the artists who, with their hearts and minds, since the current artists are working together to spread a positive message to the public. The Department of Clinical Psychology, RIMS and SEER and CARE SSC Wangkei Ningthem Pukri Mapal jointly organized a reception event for Lieutenant Setrimayum, first runner-up of the 14th Mr. International 2022 today at Dr. Kamal Hall, Department of Psychiatry. The event was attended by DDA and Indra Kumar Singh, RIMS Head of Department Psychiatry, Professor R.K. Lenin, RIMS Clinical Psychology Assistant Professor Dr. Samita N.G. According to Deputy Director Administration and Indra Kumar, when a person is psychologically, emotionally, and socially in good health, our mission can be accomplished. A person can stop themselves from damaging their own life if they wish to turn away from a bad part and hazardous substances. Lukanan is one such example, he added.
Mr. Lukanan has proved one beautiful thing, that is to channelize the youth, the younger generation, towards positive aspirations for better career and sound mental health. And I believe that to this extent that we should say no trust. And whatever he has proved is, whatever he has achieved is due to self-belief and self-motivated things, where you know the things beforehand that I will achieve this. You are more towards the target, fix the target, fox the target, and fire the target. That is what the motivation should be.
The Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides MSBSG celebrated 72nd Foundation Day Flag Day of the Bharat Scouts and Guides yesterday. The 7th November 1950 is the day on which the Bharat Scouts and Guides come into existence after merging various different scout organizations and Girl Guide Association which were working separately with common spirit prior to independence. The 7th November is being celebrated all over India as Flag Day. The aim of celebrating it as Flag Day is to spread the message of scouting and guiding amongst all sections of the society. On the occasion, M. Susil Kumar, State Chief Commissioner, presented token flag stickers to Chief Minister N. Biren, MLA KH Ragumani, MLA Karam Shyam, Director General of Police P. Dongil, Director of Education L. Nandakumar. The dignitaries contributed to the Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides in appreciation of its efforts for training in scouting skills, human relations, and citizenship to the young people. Flag Day was also celebrated in Imphal East and Imphal West, Ukhrul, Tamenglong, Senapati, and Thobal district of the state. Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Shah Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first aerosports and hot air balloons fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
Welcome after the break. In pursuance to lend a helping hand to the young school children and guiding them in cracking All India Sainik School Entrance Examination 2023, Loktak Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South conducted an awareness drive at Kangwai Higher Secondary School, Churachandpur district today. The drive included distribution of posters, information brochures at prominent places, followed by conducting awareness lecture on eligible criteria, online registration process, exam pattern, syllabus selection process, fee criteria, and documents required was also delivered by the team of Assam Rifles at Kangwai Higher Secondary School, Churachandpur district. It was attended by 70 students and 5 teachers of Kangwai Higher Secondary School. In a bid to help the unemployed youth and bring them into mainstream, Loktak Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South is imparting pre-recruitment training to the youth of Churichampo district who had applied for recruitment into the 3 services as Agnivirs under Agnipat scheme at Kangwai, Churichandpur. The battalion has opened a doorway in the form of pre-recruitment training to assist local youth in obtaining entry in the Agnipat scheme as Agnivir for recruitment into the Indian Army, the Air Force, and the Navy. The battalion has identified 20 potential youth and providing them pre-recruitment training, which include free tutorial classes, coaching for physical tests, and free medical evaluation for fitness assessment. In addition, trainees are being prepared for written test examination by well-educated training team. The Vigilance Awareness Week was observed nationwide from 31st October to 6th November with the theme Corruption-Free India for a Development Nation. Vigilance Awareness Week is celebrated every year during the week in which the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel falls. The Vigilance Awareness Week was also observed in the state under the guidance of the Chief Vigilance Commissioner, Manipur. The Awareness Week was observed with the taking off the integrity pledge on 31st October at the Office of the Superintendent of Police, Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, Manipur, followed by taking off e-pledge by the staff of Superintendent of Police, Vigilance and Anti-Corruption as part of the Vigilance Awareness Week. Poster campaigns was conducted in prominent areas of Imphal West, Imphal East, Taubal and Churichampo district. Tamenglong SP give caste award to 2 dutiful police personnel today. The caste reward was given to 1 police personnel and 1 VDF of Tamenglong District Police for spraying water at the traffic point near Old Market Tamenglong headquarters yesterday and today, providing relief to the public. Acknowledging their noble work, the Superintendent of Police SP Tamenglong rewarded them a caste award for their sincere and dutiful service during their traffic duty. The 2 police personnel is identified as Tadengbi Nyume and VDF personnel Obed Gonme. Meanwhile, the Tamenglong Bazaar is full of dust and the public are facing inconveniences, especially children. The Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation distributed pesticides and plants protection equipment to orange farmer in Nungba during a field visit of orange farm recently. The field visit by a combined team of experts from the department, Plant Health Clinic Tamenglong and None district officials was met following complaints from farmers regarding the occurrence of pest and citrus diseases. During the visit to the villages of Padant, None, Chumla, Nungba and Mukti Kulen in Nungba subdivision, the combined team confirmed the presence of pest. Tamenglong District Officer Horticulture and Soil Conservation Chungong Pamay said an expert team visited Mukti Kulen in Nungba subdivision, None district, following a report from farmers on the presence of pest and citrus diseases in the farm. After proper diagnosis, the expert team found the presence of pest and citrus diseases and conducted demonstration for the farmers and their workers on use of pesticide to control the pests and diseases. We also educated the farmers of precautionary measures and the integrated nutrients management and provided toolkits, he added. He further stated that the team will continue to closely monitor for another week after spraying the pesticides and insecticides to check for result. Tamenglong orange has already been GI tag. He said that orange farmers facing any issues regarding pests or diseases can contact the department. An Indian Army trooper died and 4 other soldiers were injured in a road accident in Lower Assam's Tamulpur district yesterday. The accident took place when the army vehicle with 5 personnel on board was on the way from Narangi cantonment in Guwahati to the Daranga field firing range along the Indo-Bhutan border. A tire of the vehicle burst, leading to the accident near Geruapar, about 10 kilometers from the headquarters town of Tamulpur. The deceased Jawan was identified as Lance Naik Prabin Tamang, a native of Darjeeling in West Bengal. The injured soldier were shifted by an army helicopter to the base hospital in Guwahati and their conditions are stable. The Criminal Investigation Department CID of Assam Police has arrested a suspended police officer and 3 doctors of a government-run hospital in Darang district in connection with the death of a 13-year-old girl in the Dekiajuli. Suspended Additional Superintendent of Police ASP of Darang district Rupam Pukant was arrested today for unfairly handling the case of the unnatural death of a minor girl, whereas the 3 doctors of a government hospital was arrested for allegedly providing a fake post-mortem report in connection with the death of a minor girl. The arrested doctors are Anupam Sharma, Ajanta Bordoloy, and Arun Das. Ahead of the Himachal Pradesh Assembly election, several Congress leaders, including former General Secretary of the Pradesh Congress Committee, Dharampal Thakur Khan, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) yesterday in the presence of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. A total of 26 Congress leaders quit the Grand Old Party and joined the ruling BJP with 4 days to go for the vote to be cast. The Himachal Pradesh Assembly election will be held in a single phase on November 12 and the counting of votes will take place on December 8. It may be recalled that last month 8 of 11 Congress lawmakers had joined the ruling Saffron Party in Goa. Now the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren launches official theme song of Manipur Sangay Festival 2022 titled Manipur, inspects preparation at Moirang Kunal. Members of Settled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur storms residents of Yumnam Kemchan Summit Memorandum. Sajiva Zel in Met admitted to Jenim's casualty after trying to commit suicide, escaped and later rearrested. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.